I think the biggest solve that I was looking for when I was a high school senior was going to a place that had enough diversity in terms of people and opportunity that I would have. And when I came to Emory, what I realized is that that came true.
The center is going to provide students with opportunities to apply their skills in the real world for the first time.
It really 10x's how much I could learn from my Emory education and make the most of it even after I graduate.
They'll have access to workshops where they can go and deep dive into artificial intelligence topics that they might not have had the opportunity to explore in their coursework. We're providing students with the opportunity to engage with the communities that they'll be a part of for the rest of their lives.
I think Emory really reinforces that no good work exists in a vacuum. What we can do with AI in terms of making processes and solutions better, faster, and cheaper will mean so much for so many people around the world, and I think Emory's education has only reinstilled that value.